The quest for the title of the largest animal that ever existed on our planet remains a mystery. As time progresses, new evidence continues to emerge about these prehistoric giants. Our curiosity extends not only to herbivores but also to the fierce carnivorous dinosaurs. How immense were the impressive sauropods, with tails that could kill a large predator with just a swing, and were these colossi really the target of the voracious predators of their era? Could the formidable Giganotosaurus or the colossal and terrifying Spinosaurus triumph in a confrontation against the feared Tyrannosaurus rex? Could it hunt in packs? Or due to its size, was it unable to hunt and merely a scavenger? These are questions we still don't have answers to, so today I will present to you the largest beings that ever walked, flew, and swam on our planet. Meganeuropsis, a titan of the Paleozoic skies, stood out as one of the largest insects ever to exist, with an impressive wingspan of up to 70 centimeters. This colossal insect lived approximately 300 million years ago, in a period when Earth's atmosphere was rich in oxygen, a key factor that allowed the extraordinary growth of insects. This giant dragonfly, a formidable predator, hunted small insects and arthropods, using its unmatched wingspan and agility to dominate the Carboniferous skies. With large eyes adapted for hunting, Meganeuropsis was a marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to its environment. The Spinosaurus, one of the largest carnivores to ever walk the Earth, was a truly unique creature of the Cretaceous period. With an estimated length of over 15 meters, this dinosaur was not only immense but also had distinct features that set it apart from other theropods. This colossal predator, known for its huge dorsal spines that formed a sail-like structure on its back, primarily inhabited regions near rivers and lakes. These spines, which could reach over 1.5 meters in height, were not only striking in appearance but may also have had important functions in thermal regulation or display. The Spinosaurus is one of the few dinosaurs known to have a semi-aquatic lifestyle. Its fossils suggest unique adaptations for life in water, such as an elongated snout and conical teeth perfect for catching fish, in addition to dense bones that helped it dive. Unlike other large theropods, the Spinosaurus had relatively short legs and powerful arms, adapted for life both on land and in water. These features make it a fascinating example of how dinosaurs adapted to diverse habitats. The Quetzalcoatlus stands out as one of the largest flying animals that ever existed, reigning in the skies of the Cretaceous period. With a wingspan that could reach an impressive 15 meters, this pterosaur was a true giant of the air. This majestic flying monster was more than just large. Its unique features challenge our understanding of the biomechanics of flight in large animals. With a relatively light body and a colossal wingspan, Quetzalcoatlus was a master of the skies, capable of gliding long distances in search of food. Its diet is still a matter of debate among scientists. Some suggest it could have been an active predator, hunting small dinosaurs and other animals. Others believe it might have fed more like a modern sturgeon, scouring the ground for carrion or small animals. The blue whale, the largest known living animal in Earth's history, is a true colossus of the modern oceans. With a length that can exceed an impressive 30 meters and a weight reaching over 180 tons, these magnificent creatures are a remarkable example of the grandeur of marine life. These gentle giants, despite their colossal size, primarily feed on small crustaceans called krill. Using their enormous mouths and baleen plates, blue whales can swallow a huge amount of water and krill, filtering them efficiently for their nourishment. The song of the blue whale is another fascinating aspect of these marine mammals. Their calls, among the loudest of all animals, can be heard by other whales hundreds of kilometers away, demonstrating a complex form of communication and orientation in the vast ocean. The Paraceratherium, one of the largest terrestrial creatures ever to exist, dominated the landscapes of Eurasia during the Oligocene, about 34 to 23 million years ago. This prehistoric mammal, often compared in size to a small dinosaur, was a true giant among land animals. With a height that could reach nearly 5 meters at the shoulders and a length of about 8 meters, the Paraceratherium was an impressive sight. This colossal herbivore, belonging to the group of rhinoceroses, did not have horns, unlike its modern relatives. Feeding mainly on leaves and high vegetation, the Paraceratherium had a long neck and a large head, which allowed it to reach and pluck foliage that other animals could not. Its immense body mass required a significant amount of food, leading it to wander vast areas in search of nutrition. This prehistoric giant, although the largest terrestrial mammal of all time, is still shrouded in mystery. Many questions about its behavior, social structure, and ecology remain unanswered, fascinating scientists and paleontology enthusiasts. The Arthr plura was not just any insect, it was a true giant among arthropods, one of the largest that ever walked the earth. This prehistoric invertebrate lived during the Carboniferous period, about 300 million years ago, and was distinguished by its colossal size, reaching up to 2.5 meters in length. This impressive creature inhabited the humid and dense forests of the Carboniferous, a period when oxygen levels in the atmosphere were much higher than today, a factor that allowed arthropods to grow to gigantic sizes. The Arthr plura, with its numerous segments and legs, was a striking example of this invertebrate megafauna. The diet of the Arthr plura is a subject of debate among scientists. Some suggest that it was herbivorous, feeding on the abundant vegetation of the time, while others believe it could have been omnivorous or even an opportunistic predator. Despite its intimidating appearance, the Arthr plura lived in a world where it was not the only giant. It shared its habitat with large amphibians, giant insects, and the first generation of reptiles, each uniquely adapted to the rich and diverse environment of the Carboniferous. The Tyrannosaurus rex, better known as TRex, is one of the most famous dinosaurs and was an apex predator during the late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. Fossils of this species have been primarily found in North America. This impressive bipedal dinosaur is recognized for its colossal size, measuring about 12 to 13 meters in length and up to 4 meters in height at the hips, weighing up to 9 tons. The T-Rex had small but strong arms, a massive jaw with huge serrated teeth, and one of the most powerful bites among dinosaurs, capable of crushing bones. Although smaller than the Spinosaurus, it was probably a better hunter on land, as the Spinosaurus had a semi-aquatic life, hunting more fish and animals from rivers and lakes. But what do you think, in a fight between these two, who would win? The Megalodon, whose name means big tooth, was a formidable force in the prehistoric world's oceans. This gigantic shark lived approximately between 23 and 3.6 million years ago, during the Miocene and Pliocene eras, and is considered one of the largest and most powerful predators in the history of marine life. With size estimates that vary but could reach an impressive 18 meters in length, the Megalodon was the apex of the marine predator. Its teeth, some of which measured more than 18 centimeters, were perfectly adapted for tearing the flesh of its prey, which included whales, dolphins, and other large marine animals. The Megalodon was not only notable for its size but also for its robust constitution and powerful jaws, capable of exerting unparalleled biting force. This combination of size, strength, and agility made it an almost unrivaled predator in its marine environments. Among the giants that once walked the earth, the Argentinosaurus holds a special place. This titan of dinosaurs lived during the Cretaceous period, about 94 to 100 million years ago, in lands we now know as South America. With an estimated length of up to 35 meters and a weight that could exceed 100 tons, the Argentinosaurus is considered one of the largest herbivorous dinosaurs that ever existed. Its immense structure was supported by massive vertebral columns and powerful legs, equipped to support its gigantic body. Despite its formidable size, studies suggest that the Argentinosaurus had an incredibly rapid growth rate, as evidenced by the structure of its bones. The life of the Argentinosaurus was not without challenges despite its size. It inhabited a landscape filled with other dinosaurs, including fierce predators like the Giganotosaurus. However, its colossal size likely made it a difficult target for most predators, a true walking fortress among dinosaurs. Finally, we come to the end of our list. If you think we forgot any giant, let us know in the comments. And since you clicked on this video, I believe you like giant and prehistoric animals, so we have a playlist especially for you. Stay with God and go watch.